Welcome back to the channel for another video. In case you're new, my name is Sarah. I own a handmade bath and body product candle slash business here in Maryland. And today, I don't know about you guys, but I am really feeling the fall vibe. I am gloved up already. But I am ready to start making for fall. I'm ready for that fall weather, though it does mean we have to go back to school. I am like ready for that coolness. It has been so humid and the storms that we've been getting really aren't even helping. So I'm feeling a cozy vibe today. What we're going to do is I'm going to pour the first couple of scents for my fall line. I don't have all of them. I don't even have like all of them planned, to be honest with you. I just wanted to kind of get started with the things that I know I will be using. I'm gonna go back here into my supply closet and gather a few things, and then we'll start prepping our jars and getting everything ready. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, if you saw my studio organization vlog, you have already seen this area, but in case you haven't, I'll give you a little tour of my candle section. Here is where I'll be making candles. Let's go over the things we have so far. Thus far, I have these lovely aura vessels from Makesy, of course. I will link them down below. These are the 8 ounce. So I have these. Obviously, always been a huge fan of Makesy. I just feel like they're kind of one of those suppliers where you don't even have to question the quality of what you're getting. You're just getting something super nice. They are a little bit more expensive, but for me, the peace of mind is worth that. And the finished products that I can come up with using these vessels are amazing. Okay, so we have our aura vessels. These are in the color matte clay, and I'll probably, this is specific to like my fall collection, and then I will have a different one for like holiday winter, but I don't know which one. I haven't decided yet. So I have these vessels here. As far as wicks go, I am using the wooden wicks that have words on them from Makesy as well. This isn't sponsored, by the way, but I just always love Makesy. Then for fragrances, I'm gonna go with, the first one I'm going to pour is Apple and Ancient Oak from Simbi. Then I have Sweater Weather Type from Fragrance Buddy. I have this Magic Sangria left over from last fall. I did pick out a couple more. Apple Cider Snickerdoodle from Northwood. This one smells very good. I don't know if I'll pour it today. I know I will pour it. I just don't know if it'll be today. And then the other one I have is Autumn Magic. And these three are from Northwood. All right. Let's prep our vessels. I'm just waiting on our wax to melt. Hopefully it melts fast enough for me to be able to pour before I have to pick up my kids from summer camp. got my vessels prepped for my apple and ancient oak. Or is it oak and ancient apple? Apple and ancient oak. Fragrance, I've got some prepped for sweater weather. The only thing I can't decide is what I'm gonna do with these last 4. I'm kind of feeling like making a blend. And this one smells like a nice blend. This smells really good. Okay. So I've got like probably 1.5 ounces left of Magic Sangria and apple cider snickerdoodle. I would say I probably have like 4 ounces left. I think that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to mix the apple cider and the Magic Sangria because they smell really nice together. That'll be in like a nice spicy sangria. It's a good name. I should write that down. Okay, I'm going to mix these 2 together, and then I'm going to grab one more fragrance oil from my supply closet, as you saw. Don't worry, I have like a vlog coming up of me like fully cleaning that out and organizing it because it's just truly a mess. You know, the reason I haven't, or one of the reasons that I keep like holding I gotta be honest with you guys, that scared the crap out of me. Everything looks normal in there. That was terrifying. Okay, anyway, yeah, I'm here by myself, and I don't know if you guys are like this, but I feel like no matter when I'm here by myself, whether it's summer, whether it's winter, whether it's day, whether it's night, it's just any like off noise scares me. And we're back. So the last fragrance oil that I have for now, of course, is Guest House from Simbi. And I will say, when you go on Simbi, or if you're in their Facebook group, everybody raves and raves and raves about Guest House and how great it is. And I think, like, I find it decent, but I don't love it the way that like everyone else loves it. And I don't know, like, am I doing something wrong? You know what I mean? I'm not exactly sure, but here's what we're going to do. I think it's a nice fall smell. So I'm also going to pour some Guest House. Combine the Magic Sangria and Snickerdoodle. We'll prep these last couple of vessels, and then hopefully by then the wax will be melted enough to start actually pouring. Let's do it. Right, so here is where we're at for now. I'm going to, once the wax melts, I'm going to pour 3 Guest House for sweater weather, 3 apple and ancient oak, and 2 of this apple cider snickerdoodle. I am pretty pumped about this. So I'll check in with you guys in a bit when they are all ready. editing me here after a day at the pool. So when editing this video, I didn't realize until I was already 15 minutes into it, or 15 minutes into the footage, that I remembered my camera battery died, and I ended up pouring them without filming it. So we're going to end this fall candle pouring vlog there. Sorry about that, and I'll see you next week. While you wait, you can watch this video here about organizing or setting up a studio space, or this video here talking about how to start a cold process souping business. See you next week.